YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Antha Barber coming back at you with another haircut tutorial. In this video we're going to be doing a high skin fade and we're going to jump right into it. So I'm going to start off by coming in with my Stylecraft ERGO, and I'm going to be using the WAHL 1.5 premium guard. I'm going to come in with the lever closed and I'm going to make sure that I knock everything down on top evenly. Alright, so now that everything's cut evenly on top, I'm going to come in with my Stylecraft ERGO, this time with the lever closed, and I'm going to begin to set and create my first guideline, which is going to be my bald guide. So now that my bald guideline was created, I'm going to come in with the same clipper, this time with the lever fully open, and I'm going to begin to set and create my next guideline. So now that my second guideline was created, I'm now going to merge the two. So I'm actually going to use the fade down process to do that. So I'm going to close my lever as needed, working my way down until this guide's completely blended out. So now that that's blended out, I'm going to come in with my WAHL #1 guard with the lever fully open. And this time I'm not necessarily going to be setting in a guideline, because this one with the lever fully open is going to blend right into that initial 1.5 that I knocked everything down evenly on top with. So I am still going to give myself the same amount of space that I gave myself with the previous guide. That way I keep everything consistent with this blend. And once I clean everything up with the lever fully open, you'll see that I'll then close my lever and I'll begin to blend from the bottom of this guide right back up towards the top of this guide. So I'm going to take this one closed right up to underneath where I just left off with that one fully open. And typically that one closed is going to leave some weight behind, but I'm going to show you how to remove that in the next step. Alright, so now right where I'm showing you is that weight left behind by that one closed. So I'm going to come in with my WAHL half guard with the lever fully open, and I'm going to begin to attack right above the weight that I see. Again, that's right above the weight that I see. And then I'm going to use that fade down process, meaning I'm going to close my lever as needed, working my way down until that guide's completely blended out. Alright, so as I continue to work my way through this blend, I want to talk about the giveaway that I somewhat announced in my last haircut tutorial. And as of today, which is November 29th, that giveaway is officially active. I'm going to be running this giveaway for 2 weeks, so December 13th, I'm going to go live on YouTube and I'm going to do a random comment selector where I'll be choosing one of you as a winner to this giveaway. For those of you that aren't familiar with the giveaway that I'm talking about, I decided that I'm going to be giving away this Stylecraft ERGO clipper that you see me using now, or I'm going to give you the option of having the Stylecraft Evo, which is a trimmer you'll also see me use in this haircut tutorial. To be an active participant in this giveaway, it's really simple. You just need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You need to smash that like button on this haircut tutorial, and you need to get active in that comment section below and let me know which one of the two would best benefit you. And at the end of that, you need to either hashtag ERGO or hashtag Evo. I appreciate everybody. I'm only going to allow one entry per person, so good luck to you and happy holidays. Alright, so back to the haircut tutorial. What you see me doing right now is I'm using my Stylecraft Evo trimmer, and I'm removing all that bulk that I initially left in the beginning of the haircut. So now that all that bulk was removed, I'm going to come in with my BABYLISS FX02 foil shaver, and I'm going to continue to completely bald out that guide just to give a little more gradiency to this haircut, so it'll allow that blend to pop. Alright, so now I'm going to begin my finish work, and there's not a whole lot to do because my client does not receive a front lineup. So I'm just going to clean up his sidebars right here. Then I'm going to come in with the razor blade and kind of finalize everything and then give you guys a look at the final cut. Alright, so here's a look at the final cut. Simple but clean. If you got anything useful out this, I ask that you smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, I suggest you stick around. It's only gonna get doper from here. I appreciate y'all. Be blessed and be a blessing. I'm out.